Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing drawing with one color challenge only, so let's get on with it. Here I have all the stuff I'm going to be using for this drawing, so let's start. I decided that I'm going to be drawing a teddy bear with a heart plushie or a heart pillow, and I actually followed the tutorial for this, so if you guys want to follow it too, I'll link it in the description box down below. I quickly lighten my sketch so that it's light enough that it won't show through, but not too light that I can still see it. Now let's get to coloring. I used a light colored pencil for the actual bear itself. Then for some of the details like the lines on its paw and the little circles on its feet, I decided to use a darker pink for that. also used a dark pink color for the eyes and it turned out really cute. Since I tried to use as much of the stuff that I had, I decided to do a two-toned heart. One side was a darker pink and the other side was a pale light pink. I also ended up using my marker and my neon pink highlighter to draw some hearts around the bear. And that's it. Here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!